Take your unhooked riding to the next level with the Raley to blind. The key to this maneuver is pulling the bar towards your front hip and looking over your back shoulder. Start by following your unhooked procedure. Place your kite at around 1 o'clock to begin with. Try to keep it in a stable position throughout the trick. The kite angle may decrease as your level improves. Initiate a pop and begin the trick in the same fashion as your Raley, allowing your body to be pulled towards the kite and your board and legs extending behind you. Swing your knees forward and board back beneath you, focusing on kicking your front knee forwards more. Think about pulling the bar towards your front hip aggressively and looking over your back shoulder. This will initiate the 180 backside rotation that is necessary to complete the trick. Hold on to the bar for about 90 degrees of your rotation. When you let go of your back hand, swing your shoulder and arm in the direction of your rotation. Balance yourself for landing, trying to keep your bar close to your hip and center of gravity low and into the wind. Let's remember the key elements. Focus on kicking your front knee forwards. Pull the bar towards your front hip aggressively and look over your back shoulder. Swing your shoulder and arm in the direction of your rotation. Keep your bar close to your hip and center of gravity low and slightly into the wind. Enjoy your ride with Duotone Kiteboarding Academy.